Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So guys, in today's video I'm going to be trying out a face mask over here. This is an activated charcoal detox face mask. Here it is given that it not only contains activated charcoal but also contains natural ingredients like rose water, kaolin light, china clay, glycerin, aloe vera, bentonite powder, charcoal powder, clove oil and vitamin E. So all these beautiful and natural ingredients are so helpful to your skin, and I have already used other charcoal masks and it works really on my skin and I feel I'm really fond of. This is very much helpful, especially if you have problems of acne, pimples or any other skin problems like that. So this will be very much helpful for you. So guys, without wasting any more time, let's get started with our review. So here now you can see that this is my real face with little bit of discoloration on some parts, and there is no sign looking dull. I have just cleansed my face already, so I'm going ahead and then apply it. It also comes with another cap, and they are really full within the bottle, and it really smells fresh and natural. So now I'm going to take a small amount of it and then start applying it on my chin area. And I'm going to focus especially on the nose area because of the pores and the blackheads. This face mask is really going to remove all the dirt and brighten your skin cell. You can use here either your hands or with the help of your brush. I think it would be better if you use brush. Here I don't have a brush, so I'm using here my finger. It is optional. So apply it evenly on all area, letting it to absorb very well. So this activated charcoal, it contains 15 gram and it costed me for rupees just 75. So guys, now I have already applied everything, and this one I'm going to leave for at least 10 to 15 minutes. So I have let it dry for 10 to 15 minutes, and yes, everything has dried up. So I will be coming back now after I go wash off this face mask. So I have washed my face with the normal tap water, and then I'm going to pat it dry with the towel. So now my skin smells really good. The fragrance is still there on the skin and I feel so refreshed, and it feels softer and brighter looking now. And this is also suitable for all skin types, even if you have sensitive skin like that and all. When I apply this, I do not feel any burning sensation, any irritation like that. So I would say that this product is a very good one, and anyone can go with this. So guys, this is my today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you like it, please don't forget to give a like, and also if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe. So till then, thank you, bye bye, and see you in my next video.